Hey, what's up, guys? Aloha. Hope everyone's doing good. Sorry it's been a while for the videos. We've been busy trying to renovate this house. We're almost done, 7 months in. This is the front door. That's how it's looking. We did some fine finish plaster. The ceiling is all done. So we're on our last leg. But let me turn this around and show you what today's video is about. All right, so I ordered some goodies for me and the guys. Pretty much I've just been ordering from CSR for the last 2 years now, I want to say. Ever since I found out about them on Instagram. I don't know how they do it, but shipping is free all the way to Hawaii. So from Canada to Hawaii, it's cheaper to buy from them than DRYWALL, which is only other drywall superstore that I buy from. But this one, if you're a contractor and you're always in need of some sponges, they have like 100 batch for discounted rate of like slightly defective. So you can see here there's a difference in tone. There's a puka right there, little pukas, nothing major. The sponge is still solid, but they sell it, I think it sells for like, shucks, I haven't done the math, but it's about half the price, so half off, 100. And you know how fast we run through sponges. Durability wise, they're a little bit more durable than the 3M. So this batch is Trimtex, I believe. But it's a little bit more durable than the 3M that's at Home Depot. And it has the double angle. So, and then here it's curved. So when you're sanding against, you're not digging into anything. But yeah, well, the guys really like it. So whenever we run low, I just buy a new box. We also buy all our masks from them. So this is the Circle brand. That's what that box is. This is just so we can vacuum. They had this is the one clean, I think it was just under $100. This connects directly to all the DRYWALL vacs we have. So bought that so you can start cleaning a little better. Bought some abrasives. Try these out. Never tried this brand before. You can let me know in the comments if you've tried it or not. I got the 80 grit. This is going to be more for like aggressive removal of stuff. But yeah, so that. And this is the pad. So this is the pad saver that you're going to want to get for the Festool Planix 2. That pretty much makes it sand similar to the Mirko, where you can do some fine finish. All it is just extra padding, so it's double layer padding, and it goes on just like the other. So the little plastic knobs go in there, but it's just that extra cushion, and that helps make the sander just way less aggressive, especially when you're sanding finish. I ended up getting 2 of these just because they were a bit hard to find. They're hardly ever in stock. So we got 2 of those now. These are just some Nella floats that we're going to sample. It's for the plaster. I wish those corners were a little bit more round. That's kind of sharp, especially when you're floating. So what this is used for is for that final finish. You just float it on. Yeah. Anyways, that's that. This is what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I just saw it, and it's a pretty cool idea. It's kind of heavy though. It's heavy. It's robust, heavy duty, but look how thick that bad boy is. So this is a lot heavier. I wouldn't want to use this on the regular to like skim coat by hand, just because it is like you feel it right away, the weight. But the cool thing about it is that it has this adapter. Oh, these are the cabinets that are about to go into the opposite side of the house. I'll show you guys in a bit. But so this comes right off. Eventually, let me take this. Oh, there you go. So that comes off. I'm assuming you can put it in there if you don't want to use this. But this is a threaded pole adapter. You can change the angle, and it pretty much turns these knives into skimming blades as well. So you can put it on a pole and you have an extension. Boom. This is going to be handy for when we coat big stuff. Let me see. So over here I had to beef this bad boy up. But anyways, yeah, so easy money. You can coat big. And then the good thing about it being heavy and so stiff is that it's gonna be able to level stuff like that. We're gonna sample it, see how it does as far as skimming goes. It's a bit heavy, but I mean, once you start, this is stiff. I don't know if they have like a flexible one, but once you start, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be too bad. But yeah, I just thought this was a cool little adapter. Wasn't expensive. I think this knife with that was like 30 bucks. So I'm gonna sample this. I think it's worth the investment just to try it out. But yeah, oh, and then these are the same as the DRYWALL. So level 5 makes all of DRYWALL stuff, but these are currently my favorite. I just love how they feel, nice and solid, comfortable, and then I don't know, digging that square. I like it for corners and stuff, but yeah, that's that. I got some more stuff that came in for the light adapters we got going. But anyways, these cabinets, this is the weekend project. I'm gonna install these cabinets in the rental side of the house. So I don't know, we're thinking of, see if you can see. Okay, see, that's gonna be the bedroom. There's still random stuff I gotta complete, but I'm still debating whether we're actually gonna rent it or I'm just gonna use it as like the office headquarters. Tried stripping the paint off of this one to reuse it, but I think I'm just gonna have to buy a brand new door, which is pretty much what I've been having to do for this entire build. Just buy brand new. But yeah, it's coming along. So we use the same floor as our part of the house. Just got to install the toilet, finish up the sink. Did the trim, I want to say a week ago, and then I got super swamped with work again, and now I got a little break this weekend to focus on finishing up. Got to finish the door trim, painting this door, putting that in. This is going to be a bedroom or office, and then a washer, walk-in closet. But yeah, it's coming along. Thank God we're almost there. And yeah, so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to at least make a video once a week. Once the chaos is done, we're going to go back to doing more reviews and everything. But right now, yeah, just trying to get this done. And then the light adapter, everything is kind of falling into place. Some of the stuff came in the other day. It's going to take a bit longer than July. I thought I would be able to do it by July, but just the logistics of getting everything in and then assembling stuff and then getting everything situated and ready. I want to make sure that when we're open for business, it's seamless, it's not super chaotic, and just something more for me to kind of just lose track of. But yeah, all right guys, so look forward to posting more, and I just wanted to check in, make sure everyone's doing good. But yeah, let me know in the comments if there's any tools or anything you want me to kind of keep an eye out for to do reviews on. All right guys, aloha. Shoots.